Hello everyone. Here we are going to start with the topic factorization and will deal with the questions based on the sum or the difference of the two cubes. And here we have the formula a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b in one bracket in the other a square minus ab plus b square, and for the minus one a cube minus b cube, that is equals to a plus b, and then in a bracket and in the other a square plus ab plus b square. Here we start with the exercise 5D, and let's see the first question. It is a cube minus 27. Here a cube is in the form of the cube only, and this 27 can be written as 3 to the cube. Now we are having this expression in the form of a cube minus b cube, so we can use this identity a minus b and so on. So here this will be written as a minus 3 and then a square plus a into 3 plus 3 square, and that will be equals to a minus 3 a square plus 3a plus 9. Now let's see the third question. Here in this one we are having 64, that can be written as 4 to the whole cube minus this ab to the whole cube. Again this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, so it can be written as 4 minus ab 4 square plus 4 into ab and plus ab to the whole square, and this can be followed by 4 minus ab 16 plus 4ab plus a square b square. Now let's see question number 5. Here in this question we are having 3x to the power 7y, and here 81 x to the power 4 and y to the power 4. So very first of all we can take a common from these all, and we can take 3 as well as x to the power 4 and 1y as common from these two terms, and we'll be left with x cube from here minus 27, x to the power 4 is taken as common, so we are left with y cube. Now this can be written as x cube minus 3y to the whole cube, and then in the form of this identity. Now we have got this on applying the identity of a cube minus b cube, and then we have to just open this bracket, and finally we have got this expression as the answer. Now in question number 7 we have got this a cube plus 0.064. This 0.064 can be written as 0.4 to the whole cube, and after this we have got this expression in the form of a cube plus b cube, and now we can write this in this form. After that we have to just solve this one, and we finally get this. Now in question number 9 we are having the first expression in a bracket and to the whole cube, and the other one is just in a one term, that is 8x to the whole cube. Now I have written this in this form, in which the first one is copied and the 8x cube is written as 2x to the whole cube. Now we are going to apply the identity of a cube minus b cube, and we finally get this on expanding. Here we have written a minus b, then a square plus ab and plus b square. Now we have to just solve the bracket. After opening all the brackets we have got this, and then we have to solve the like terms in a same bracket, like x minus 2x. This can be written as minus y and minus x. Here we are having x square and one more x square, so 4 and 2 6 and 1 7x square. Then this will be just copied plus y square and this will also be copied. Then we can take the minus common from these two, and it will be written as minus y plus x, then 7x square plus y square minus 4x and y. Now we'll go for question number 11. Here this can be written as a cube to the whole square and b cube to the whole square, and that is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. After getting the expression in a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube, we can use the identities to open them, and we finally get this. This the expansion of a cube plus b cube, and this one is the expansion of a cube minus b cube. Now in question number 12, we are having expression a to the power 6 minus 7a cube minus 8. Here we are going to assume a cube as something, and here we can write this one as a cube to the whole square minus this is copied, and when we have taken a cube as x, this can be written as x square minus 7x minus 8. Now first of all we have to factorize this one by the method of splitting the middle term, and as we know 8 into 1 is 8 and minus 8 plus 1 will be minus 7. So we have split minus 7 in as minus 8x plus 1x. Now we can take common of x from first two and 1 from the last two, and then we can take the common of x minus 8 as a bracket, and now we are going to replace the value of x by a cube, and here again this 8 can be written as 2 cube, and after writing this one in this form, we can again use the identity of a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube. Here we have got this, and now we have to just solve some of the numbers which can be solved, and finally we get this. Now in question number 14, we are given with this situation. These two are in the form of cube. This is 2a to the whole cube, and this is already in a cube. Now from these two we can take a common of 2 and x. We have got this after getting this one, and we are taking a common of 2x from these two. Now we are going to write this one in the form of, we have already got this in the form of a cube minus b cube, and we are going to just use the identity. After using identity we have got this. Now we can take a common of 2a minus b from these two expressions, and here on taking the common of 2a minus b, we are left with this whole bracket and this minus 1. Here we have solved 2a square as 4a square. Now let's see question number 16. Here in this question we can take 2 common from the first two and 4 common from the last one. Now this can be rearranged in the form of a cube plus b cube. After arranging this in the form of a cube plus b cube, we can use the identity, and here we have used the identity and got this expression. Now we see that we can take a common of 2 and x plus 3y from here, and after taking 2 and the bracket common from here, we have left with this whole at this expression and minus 2 from here. Now in question number 16, we have to show that this expression is divisible by 8. For that we are going to use the identity of a cube minus b cube for this expression. Now after using identity we have got this a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square, and on solving 13 minus 5 we got 8. Now as 8 is a multiple of the whole expression, therefore this expression is divisible by 8. So as 8 is factor of the given expression, it is divisible by 8. That's all from this exercise. We are going to do the next one in the next video. Thank you.